So this is the trading view, and you can see here on the trading view here, like it's written 15 minutes. Like first what you will do, how you will open after opening trading view. Basically you can go to Google or anywhere from here, or like that you can simply open a trading view account. After opening trading view account, first what you have to note down that how you will open a chart. Like here on my left corner it is written as BTC USDT. First I will click here, and after that I can select any pair. Let's suppose I want to open a chart of Ethereum. So what I will write here, Ethereum USDT. If I want to open in USDT pair, if I want to open in BTC pair, I will write as BTC. If I want to open in prep USDT, USDT per. So like that I can open any chart in a trading view. So this is the first step. Let's suppose I am opening here a chart of Ethereum. So this is a simple chart of Ethereum, and it is a 15-minute chart. So if I want to open like for 5 minutes chart, I will click on 5 minutes, and if I want to open a chart of 1 hour, I will select 1 hour. So these things are coming on the left top corner of trading view account, and here you are seeing that all these things are in like candlesticks. Why these are coming in candlesticks? Because I have selected here candles. If I will select here bars, it will come in bars. If I will select in hollow candles, my chart will come in hollow candles. The settings will change. Like from here you can select any, like you will select columns, you will select line. It is a line chart. So if you want to open Renko chart, you will click on Renko. So like that different charts will come. Like if you will you want to open line break chart, you will click on line break. So like that you will open different charts. And how to refresh, and you must have to refresh trading view after opening something. Like you will click on right click, then reset chart. So like that your chart will be resetted. So after that kagi chart, point and trigger chart, range chart. So there are a different type of charts, but the most common chart is candles. So I will select from here candles. So this is the basic of trading view, that how you will open a chart, how you will select different time frames, and how you will select like candles or something else from here. So after that, like here I am seeing some lines are here. So if I want to remove that line, what I will do, I will click on delete and remove 7 drawings. So this is my neat and clean chart on daily time frame. It is a daily time frame chart. So like that, and if you want to like just click on the chart, and you can scroll anywhere, like if you want here or here, but the most best is to operate your chart in the middle. Now see, it is in the middle. So now I am going towards that how you will draw trend line, how you will operate through different tools in trading. On my left corner, on the left corner, you are seeing here are different tools. First, after here, there is a small right arrow on my right side. If I will click here, different options will come. Like if I will select dot, my cursor will be like dot, and if I will select arrow, my cursor will be like arrow. Now you are seeing arrow, and if I will select eraser, now it is like a eraser chart. My cursor is like a eraser, but I am using this one cross is better, so that's why I am using here a cross. After that, second on the second number, you are seeing a trend line here. So here we have trend line, arrow, ray, info line, extended line. There are different categories here. First one is trend line. So from here, if you will select a trend line, so like that you can draw a trend line. See, simple. Again you want to draw a trend line here, you will again select from here trend line, and you will draw like that anywhere. So this is simple to draw a trend line. Again, if you want to draw a trend line, so here simple you will like draw here a trend line. So like that we draw trend lines on trading view. After that there is an arrow. Like if I want to draw arrow here, simple I will draw arrow. I will select from here arrow. First you have to select from here arrow, and after that you will draw it anywhere like that. So this is how we draw arrow on trading view. And after that ray. See, this is a simple way. Ray is like a long line like that you can draw. And if you want to change its setting, simple double click on it, go to style. Now it is extended on right side, extend right line. If you will click, the line will be simple. So you can also like that extend lines anywhere from the settings. Okay, so this is simple a blue line. And if you want to change color of your lines, then simple double click here, and from here you can change the color, white, black, or any color you want you can change. And if you want to change the size, like I want it thick, then what I will do, I will click here and select on code. Now my line is thick. And if I want a thin line, I will go to thickness and select thin. And if I want less color, I will like from here colors will be less. So like that you can draw your line in any color, and you can select thickness according to your need. Like if you want green line, you can select green. So like that you can change the shape, change the color of your line. And after that we have info line. So here what info line is telling us, this is like 425 27 bars distance. The angle of this line is 40 degrees. So info line is like that, it will tell you the angle of the line, the information about. So now here the angle is 0, the angle is 40 degrees. Like if you want to know that in how many degrees the price is moving, now from here you know that your price is moving in an angle of 40 degrees. And between how many bars? 30 bars. From here to here there are 33 bars. And how many days total from here till here? 33 days. So this is the info line. It will give you all the information about the chart. So, and after that, like from here till here, so see, it's also showing that it's how many percent? 36.66%. So see, it's like 36.66%. After info line, I am deleting all. So after info line, you have here like extended line. Extended line is like that. It's a long line. Okay, it's on both sides. Like if you will draw from here till here, so you can see that it's a long line extended on both sides. After that we have horizontal line. Horizontal line, like if I want to select here, it's like a horizontal line, straight horizontal line. And if I want to like mark, it is actually we use it for marking support and resistance. Now here I am seeing that this is the resistance, this is the resistance. So I can mark, if I have 2 points here, so I can mark a horizontal, I can mark from the horizontal resistance, horizontal line. Okay, from the horizontal line you can like here I am seeing, I can mark from the horizontal line. Like here I am seeing this one as a sports zone, so I can mark here. So now see, the price is holding above that horizontal line. So after that we have horizontal ray. Horizontal ray like a simple line in one direction. After that vertical line, this is a simple vertical line you can draw from here. After that you have cross line, parallel channel. Like that you can draw a parallel channel. Okay, so like that simple you can draw a parallel channel. So from here, like if you want to draw here a parallel channel, how you will draw? Simply you go to tools and select parallel channel, and from here till here match, and just came it down. Okay, so if you want little bit settings, you can do like that. So this is how you can draw a parallel channel. After that you have these are not so important tools, these are the important ones. After that, we will, when we will go to advanced things, then we will study about fabric tracement, trend based, pitchfork, and these things. Simple fabric tracement is but like it shows us that how much retracement here, how much the retracement is shown by fabric retracement. Like if I want to see from here till here and till here how much correction did price has taken, so for that purpose I will use fab retracement. I will draw it from the bottom till the top. This is the top. I will extend it on the right side. So now I know that the price is currently holding above 78.60% retracement level. So the price has retraced 78%, 0.60%, and if the price will come till that level, this is 100% retracement. This is the 50 midpoint. Like price has gone 100 times up. After that, it reached to its here 50% retracement level. So this tool is for using this one. Okay, so this is Fibonacci retracement. After that, we have here like rectangle. As you have seen many times, we are using rectangle. So from here you can use a rectangle like that. I am seeing that this is a good spot, and I want to also cover the wicks, body and wick. For that purpose I will use a rectangle. Okay, so like that I will mark this spot. And also if I want to mark here, so what I will do, I will again go to the tools and select rectangle, and I will mark here. So this is like that you can mark from the rectangle. After that, the important one is path. Like if you want to know the path like that, from path you can mark from the path like that. Like this is the path of the movement of price. Okay, after that we have triangle, rotated rectangle, arc, double curve. These are not so important, but if you want, you can apply. Like if you want to mark a triangle here, like that you can mark a triangle like that from the triangle tool. So after that, I am removing all. And oh, okay, so if you want to write any text on the chart, then this is we have discussed first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now I am going to the fifth section. Here, this is all about how to flag mark, arrow marks, price label. From here, you can also write a text. Like if I want to write a text here, like I am head and shoulder. So like that I will write here head and shoulder. Okay, so like that you can write any text on your chart. Like it is a simple head and shoulder pattern, so that's why I have written here head and shoulder. So after that, if you want to price label, like at that point you are saying that this is your target and you want to click here, then it will simple show like 783. Here the price is 783. This is your target. So like that you can use this section. Okay, so after that I am going to the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth section. In sixth section, the most important is now head and shoulder. Okay, head and shoulder. How I will mark a head and shoulder? From here I will use the head and shoulder tool. And after that, see, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So I will first click here. I will mark the left shoulder. After that I will mark the right shoulder, and after that I will mark the right shoulder. After head I will mark the right shoulder. So from here I will do little settings. So this is how you can mark a head and shoulder pattern. So after that, these are Elliott waves and some other harmonic patterns. If you want to draw, you can simply take tools from here and you can draw head and shoulder. If you want to draw Elliott waves, you can take it from here. And after that, we are going to this section, like long position, short position. I am removing all these things. So simply, if you want to take a trade here, you are taking entry here, then what you will do, you will select long position tool. After selecting long position tool, you will click here, and you want to target here, you want to target this one, this is your target, so you will take it here, and you want to put your stop loss down this spot, and this is your stop loss. So like that, you use this long position tool. Okay, so now you know that this is your 3.34 R trade, risk to reward ratio trade. Your stop loss is 10.14% down, your TP is 33.84% down. So from long position tool you can take any trade, and you know that how much your risk to reward, how much you are risking in that trade. You can click here double settings and go to input. You can select your account size, like if you have like 10,000 USDT in your account, you will select here 10,000. If you want to risk 1%, 2% in per trade, you can select here 2%. Okay, so from here you can select your entry price, your profit level, and your stop level. You can all set here in the long position tool. And after that, if you want to short, for that purpose you can select here like a short position tool. And if you want to open a short position here, you will click here, this is your entry point and this is your target, this one, and your stop loss, if you want to put stop loss above that resistance. Okay, so here you will simply select like that. So like that you can simply take your short position. So after that, we are going towards date range. Like if you want to know from here till here how many days the price is consolidating here, you will, for that purpose you will select date range, and after that you will click here and till here, go till here. So it is showing that from 112 days the price is in that range. So like that you can know that from how many days the price is trading in that range. Okay, so after that, we have price range tool. From here you can like select that how many percent is your profit. If I want to know that from here till here how much is my target, so simply I will first click here, then I will go to my target. So now it is showing that it is 33.84%. So this is my target of 33.84%. So like that we use pricing tool. After that, we have different settings like fixed range volume. If I want to know the volume from here till here, so now from here till here it is showing the maximum volume is traded here 1572. From this range to this range, the maximum volume is traded here 1500 at 1574. And after that, if I want to like know from here till here, so okay, from here to here the maximum volume is traded here 1080. And if I want to know the volume here till here, okay, till here, so now my key volume till here to here is 1334. So now the price is retesting below it. So like that, you use these tools. Now here, as you have seen that I have selected these tools, like I am mostly using rectangle, trend line, horizontal ray, horizontal line, harmonic, spark, price range, brush, Elliott waves, and Elliott fraction waves, poly. So these are all the tools that mostly I am using. So that's why what you have done to do, you have to click on start. So like that, if I will click on start, the star will also, the ray will also come there. So from here we select all the important tools that we are using in our daily life, and we mark them as star. So we don't have to search here, our all important tools will come at that point. Okay, so this is how we operate. Have to give some time, have to spend some time. Now you know the basics, I have told you all the basics about trading. And on the other hand, if you want to use indicators, then you will select indicators. And from here you can like select any, like I am using for EMA, Bitcoin logarithmic, like I have, these are my all my favorite indicators. So all I have selected all that and marked as star. But you can search from here any indicator, like you will write here volume. So a lot of indicators like volume oscillator, net volume, price volume trend, a lot of volume indicators will come here. So you can select any indicator, and after that you will just mark it as star and it will come in your list. From here, this is a small, like here it's written favorites. So from here there are a lot of indicators that I am using, and now it's coming here. Like volume profile fixed range is a very famous, like if I will click here on volume profile, it is directly showing me in that whole area, till here, like my point of control POC, the main point of control level is 1618. So 1618 is the point of control level here. And after that, I am using EMA, like for EMA, if I will check. Now it is showing that here EMA 21 is acting as a resistance. This is EMA 200, it is like on 1855. Like here you can do any setting for. I am using like 21, 55, 89 and 200 em. That's what I have selected here. So so like that you can use any indicators from here. Relative strength, the RSI, if you will click on RSI, the RSI will come. So now the RSI is on 42.83 something. It's in the over, it's going into the oversold region. So like that you can use here this one RSI. So after that, MACD is also important, moving average, convergence divergence. If I will that one, it is showing that now it's like simple. The momentum is very low, losing, bulls are losing momentum there, as these are two green. So it is showing that bulls are losing momentum, and we might, it might be like that we will come down. Might be, there is a possibility, but it's a daily time frame, long time. It's a long time, and so like that you can use your trading view. And I hope you have understood how to use the trading view. And if you have any question now you can ask any question, or you can write in chat, or if you want to ask directly, you can ask any question if you have any doubt in the trading view tutorial. So this is the Ethereum chart, and if I will go to BTC and simply if I will check on 1 hour, so I will draw some tools for you here. Okay, I will draw some tools. So if I want to mark that chart, what I will first, I am seeing that from here the price, from this resistance, from this resistance, this resistance. So there is a lot of resistance in that area. So what I will do, I will go here and select rectangle, and from rectangle I will mark that resistance here. So after marking that resistance, I know the price is bouncing from here. See, every time price is bouncing like that, like that, like that. Here it has also made some sort of triangle, symmetrical triangle. After breakout, it has hit the resistance. After that, again the price is consolidating in that area. So what I will do now, I am seeing that the price is moving in an ascending way, in an ascending order. So I will take an trend line and I will mark it like that. These are the wicks. You can draw a trend line from wick to body, or from wick to wick, or from body to body. There is no hard and fast rule. Simple. You have to know only three points in drawing a trend line. I will write down for you how to draw a trend line. Simply, number one, you can draw it from week to week. Number two, you can draw it from week to body, and also you can draw it from body to body, body to body. Okay, these are the three steps of drawing a trend line. Okay, so this is the wick. I am going to a simple one candlestick. We have four on candlesticks also we will cover, but simple see, this is a complete candlestick. Okay, this is a complete candlestick. This is the wick. This is the body. This is the wick. This is the body. So like that I am saying here, I will show you. Like you can draw a trend line from wick, this wick, and like that. Number one, you can draw a trend line from week to week. Number second thing, you can draw a trend line from week to body. See, now I am connecting to body, week to body. And third one, I am saying here, you can draw a trend line from body to body. Simple, this is from body to body. And also from here, it is like from body to body. Simple. See, after breakdown, it retested many times here. After retesting, a simple a drop because it has done a breakdown. So this is how you can draw a trend line, and that is what I have shown you how to mark your chart. So I hope you have understood. Still, if you have any question, you can ask any question, or we will simply close the session.